Do you know why some devices are banned from Amazon and other online stores? Simply because their use is dangerous. Here is a list of prohibited devices that can be purchased online. You might think your car is safe and secure with your key. But what if someone could duplicate your key without your knowledge? That's what a car key grabber can do. A car key grabber is a device that can record and copy the radio signal from your car's remote control. When you press the button to lock or unlock your car, the device stores the signal in its memory. Then, the thief can use it to open and close your car as if they had the original key. In this way, they can take your car or anything inside it without leaving any evidence or triggering any alarm. Car key grabbers are illegal and dangerous devices that can expose your vehicle to theft. They are also hard to detect and stop, as they can work from a distance and with different types of cars. I found that they can be purchased online, but I won't leave the link for obvious reasons. Have you ever wanted to record a video in secret without anyone noticing? Well, there's a gadget that can help you do that. It's called a clip camera. This gadget is a small video camera that looks like a regular tie clip. You can attach it to your tie or shirt and record high-resolution videos with sharp image quality. It's simple to use and set up, and no one will suspect you are recording them. But beware, this device is highly illegal, and you can be prosecuted or jailed if caught using or even owning it. It is also unethical and immoral to record people without their consent or knowledge. A license plate flipper is a device that allows you to rotate or flip between two different plates with the press of a button. It can be installed on any vehicle and works in seconds. It's like having two cars in one. With a license plate flipper, you can change your identity on the road whenever you want. This is something you'd only see in movies, but before you rush to buy one, you should know that license plate flippers are not legal in most states and countries. It's considered a form of fraud and deception. So, if you want to create a video in a controlled environment, then it's probably fine. Otherwise, you probably don't need it. The Multipack KRONOS is a powerful electric lock-picking gun that can open almost any lock in seconds. It's easy to use and works on any door or car. It's also lightweight and portable, so you can take it anywhere. It works by vibrating a picking needle that inserts into the lock and manipulates the pins inside. It has a highly adjustable peak amplitude that allows you to control the force and speed of the vibration. It also has a quick-change battery system that lets you replace the battery without losing power. With this device, you can unlock the door or car without causing any damage or leaving any traces. You can also use it for emergency situations or professional purposes. But before you rush to buy one, you should know that the Multipack KRONOS is not legal in some states and countries. It's considered a way to bypass security and invade privacy. If you use it for criminal activities or unauthorized access, you may face legal consequences. As the name suggests, this device will damage any hardware with a USB port. If you have no use for your device and want to make it useless, plug it into a USB port. It serves absolutely no constructive purpose, and that's why it's obvious that this device is dangerous to use. It works by transmitting high voltage through the USB port, frying the electronic components inside the device. Even though we know this device is for personal use only and should only be used on your own device if you want to ensure your device is dead, it's still very dangerous to be sold freely. In my opinion, of course, there's no need to mention that it's strictly forbidden to use it on devices that do not belong to you. When you see something like this, it's obvious why it was banned from Amazon. This is a flamethrower exhaust kit that can be activated by a button control circuit connected to the car's ignition. The system also consists of a spark plug installed near the car's exhaust tip. Even if you managed to buy this flamethrower kit, you'd still need professional help to install it in your exhaust system. Once the basic kit is installed, you rev the engine and press the activation button connected to the ignition system. As soon as the button is pressed, the flames will start burning the unburned and unused exhaust gases. But in terms of prohibited use, this is nothing compared to the next gadget I'm going to show you. And this is something you'd only see in movies. This device is a Wi-Fi jammer and will block the Wi-Fi signal within a 400 m radius. Now imagine if someone just walked into a shopping mall or someplace similar. How much damage could that cause? It's needless to mention that jamming cell phones and GPS signals in general is against the law. To make it work, you need some coding knowledge. The reason you can buy it on Amazon is that it's supposed to be used as a testing device on your own networks. But the bad thing is that any hacker can buy it and use it for illegal purposes. That's why this device is very dangerous in the wrong hands, and it's obvious why it was banned. Another gadget straight out of a spy movie, a sound amplifier that can be used to eavesdrop on conversations from another room and through walls. We all know that any form of spying is illegal. So this device comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack and a built-in battery. After connecting the headphones to the device and turning it on, you just press the device against the wall or any other object. But beware, if you're using headphones, keep the volume a little lower. This is why this device is too risky to be sold to the public. Even though it can be used for other things like side leak detection or underfloor heating detection, it can still be used for some illegal activities. But it's not dangerous compared to the next device. So stay tuned. If you like the content so far, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any more videos. Security tags are attached to merchandise in stores to prevent theft. If a special device in the box doesn't remove them, they usually have a metal pin and a plastic casing that can trigger an alarm. However, there is a device that can remove security tags without the need for any special device. It's called a security tag remover. This device is a powerful magnet that can pull the metal pin out of the plastic casing and remove the security tag from the item. It is designed to work on most types of security tags, such as ink tags, spider tags, and hard tags. It's also small and discreet, making it easy to hide and use. However, this device is not only illegal but also dangerous. It can damage electronic devices, credit cards, and other magnetic items if placed near them. And most importantly, it can get you into trouble with the law if you're caught using or even possessing it. Shoplifting is a serious crime that can result in fines, imprisonment, or both. So don't do it. This gadget is for informational purposes only, and we do not condone or encourage theft in any way. With the perfect combination of an HD camera and glasses, you'll have cool-looking glasses and a camera. Something we often watch in action and spy movies is now available for anyone to buy. In fact, these glasses are very useful for security personnel because, in case of any trouble or accident, they would have a complete record of what happened. But like all the gadgets in this video, this one can also be used for some illegal activities. For it is illegal for anyone to secretly record oral, telephone, or electronic communication that other parties to the communication reasonably expect to be private. Can you imagine how easily someone could spy on you with these glasses? It's actually a bit scary. But of course, when you're in a public setting, like a concert, grocery store, park, and many others, recordings are allowed. Although intended to be used as a practical tool, this lockpicking set has been used many times in burglaries. And that is why Amazon and other retailers have removed it from sale. So, the instant lock gun uses a primary law of physics, the transfer of energy, to momentarily knock all the cylinder lock pins without sending the lower pins into the key cut layers. At the same time, the pick key will slightly rotate the cylinder, preventing the pins from falling back into the key cut and blocking the rotation. This way, the lock becomes unlocked. So, for these reasons, you can see why these items are banned from Amazon. Tell me your thoughts about these devices. Night vision goggles are devices that allow users to see more clearly in low light or dark situations. They create an image on a screen or lens, enhancing light or using infrared light. The military and police often use them for tasks like navigation, surveillance, and locating people in dark areas. Some experts also claim that prolonged use of night vision goggles can strain and tire the eyes. While night vision goggles can be useful, They can also raise ethical concerns and cause health problems. There have been reports of night vision goggles being used to invade people's privacy and violate their rights. Some countries have even banned their use for these reasons. Have you ever wanted to erase all your files and data from your old computer before selling or discarding it? Well, there's a device that claims to do just that. It's a small USB device that connects to your computer and runs a program that overwrites the contents of the hard drive with random data multiple times, promising to permanently erase all your data, beyond recovery by any tool or software. Sounds amazing, right? But wait, before you rush to buy this device, you should know that it's not as simple as it seems. In fact, this device is banned in some countries or situations. Why? Because it can also be used for malicious purposes, such as destroying evidence or sabotaging systems. Moreover, it can damage the computer or cause other problems if not used correctly. However, this device is available for purchase online. The GSM jammer is a device that can block or interfere with mobile phone signals within a certain range. It works by emitting radio waves that match the frequency bands used by GSM networks. In doing so, it creates a dead zone where no phone calls or messages can be made or received. But why would someone want to use such a device? Some people may use it for privacy reasons, such as preventing unwanted calls or tracking. Others may use it for fun or pranks, like annoying others or creating chaos. However, a GSM jammer is also a device banned in many countries or situations because it can cause serious problems and dangers to others, such as disrupting emergency services like police, ambulances, and others, putting many lives at risk. Keychain knives are small knives that can be attached to your keychain or carried in your pocket. They are usually designed for everyday tasks such as opening boxes, cutting ropes, peeling fruits, and so on. However, keychain knives are also banned in some countries or situations because they can pose potential risks and dangers to you and others. This GPS tracker can not only track your location but also record sounds around it. You can hear voices around this tracker without light and without noise. Thus, you can monitor what is happening around the tracking device silently and secretly. All you need is a SIM card, and it's ready to use. This gadget has many useful purposes, such as tracking your children when they go to school, tracking your car, and similar things. But it can also be used for illegal tracking of an object or person, which is why it has been banned from Amazon. The problem with these types of gadgets is that they can be used for a variety of purposes, not all of them in good faith and legal. If you need some of these gadgets for your own legal purposes, you can find them by clicking the link in the description. What I'm going to show you next is shocking, how hidden and discreet it is. This is the most discreet security camera I've ever seen. There's no way someone can detect a spy camera like this. So what exactly is this? It's a spy camera hidden in a wall socket. There's no way anyone can detect this. It's so well hidden that I'm starting to get paranoid. I need to check my own sockets now after seeing this. This functional wired wall socket plug with a 4K HD Wi-Fi camera replaces your existing wall plug and is simple to set up. You can view it live in super high 4K resolution using your smart device. You can even save the data on the included 128 GB external memory card or through your smartphone, or through the free smartphone app. It's great for increasing security and protection in your own home, but just knowing this exists makes me very uncomfortable. This socket is not available on Amazon, at least not at the time of recording this video. Tell us what you think about these gadgets, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out this video of the 9 deadliest gadgets you can buy on Amazon, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.